In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a column in Airtable. Whether you're organizing your tasks, managing a project, or just keeping track of information, knowing how to efficiently add columns can be incredibly helpful. So let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to your Airtable base. This is the main interface where all your tables live, and it's the starting point for any modifications you'd like to make. Once you're in your base, take a look at your table. You'll notice that each table consists of rows and columns. Now, focus on the last column of your fields. This is where the magic happens. At the end of these columns, you'll see a small plus icon. It might seem like a minor detail, but this is your gateway to adding a new column. Simply locate this plus icon. It's usually on the rightmost side of your current columns, and it might take a second to spot if you have a packed table, but it's there. Once you've found the plus sign, your next step is to click on it. This action is straightforward, but it opens up the options you need to customize your table further. Clicking the plus sign brings up a menu of field types that you can choose from. This is where you decide what kind of data you want to add. Airtable offers a variety of field types, such as text, number, checkbox, and many more, each designed to handle specific data types effectively. After clicking the plus sign, you'll need to select the field type you want for your new column. Take a moment to consider what kind of information you'll be storing. If it's a simple list of names, a text field might be perfect. If you're dealing with numbers, obviously a number field would be the way to go. Airtable's flexibility allows you to tailor your columns to best fit your data needs. Once you've made your selection, the column will be added automatically to your table. It's that simple. You don't need to do anything else. The new column will appear ready for you to start entering data. This process not only expands your table, but also enhances its functionality, allowing you to capture and organize information in a way that makes sense for your project. And there you have it. Adding a column in Airtable is a quick and easy process that can significantly improve how you organize your information. I hope this guide was helpful and that you're ready to dive in and start customizing your tables. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips. Happy organizing!